Have you ever wondered what makes El Monterey frozen burritos so convenient for busy lifestyles? Today, we're diving into the science behind these popular meal options. El Monterey burritos are designed to be easily cooked in various kitchen appliances like microwave, oven, or air fryer. This versatility makes them a popular choice for quick and tasty meals. When cooking El Monterey burritos in an air fryer, preheated to 380-degree Fahrenheit. Cook the regular burritos for 8-10 minutes and XXL or breakfast varieties for 12 to 15 minutes, ensuring they reach a safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Air frying El Monterey burritos results in hot, crispy, and evenly cooked meals with no soggy spots or rubbery tortillas. Without the need for pre-thawing, El Monterey burritos can be found in most supermarkets and convenience stores, making them accessible to a wide audience. Their frozen state also ensures freshness until they're ready to cook. The convenience of El Monterey burritos extends beyond just quick cooking times. Their variety in flavors and types provides a range of options for different tastes, from classic to breakfast varieties. In summary, El Monterey burritos are convenient, versatile, safe to cook, and offer a range of flavors. Their popularity stems from their ability to provide a quick yet satisfying meal. So there you have it. El Monterey burritos are more than just frozen meals. They're a convenient choice for busy lifestyles. What's your favorite way to cook them? Let me know in the comments.